The market of wireless earphones is pretty crowded and it might be hard to choose the right pair of buds, especially if you are on a budget. I've come across the Xcentz Bluetooth necklace style earphones that cost just about $30, but they are just packed with features. The earphones are shipped in quite a nice looking packaging where all the accessories are packed neatly. Inside the box you can find a few extra ear tips, USB cable, and some paperwork. As for design, we're looking at a very lightweight headset. I have to say that the rubber material of the necklace is very nice to the skin and it feels comfortable. The actual headphones have quality metal housing and they can be attached to one another using magnets. The overall build quality is really good. The Xcentz earphones look and feel a bit more expensive than they actually cost. I found the earphones to be really comfortable to wear for hours and they do not fall off my ears, which is really important to any type of music device. The controller allows you to play and pause, increase or decrease the volume, skip tracks, or turn on or turn off the headphones. Further, the headset is sweatproof thanks to IPX7 certification, meaning that you can use the device in the rain or at the gym while sweating and burning calories. The battery life has been really good. I could get over 8 hours of music playback on a single charge. Moreover, a 10-minute charge keeps you going for 70 minutes, which is another highlight feature of the Xcentz headphones. The built-in mic assures pretty good call quality, as people on the other hand could hear me properly and without significant sound distortions. The sound quality is really good considering the price of the earphones. The sound is balanced, the volume output is really good, and I like soft and punchy bass. Further, I like good separation between lows, mids, and highs. Overall, I'm really impressed with the sound quality given the price tag of just below $30. The Xcentz Neckband earphones are really impressive considering the price. They offer nice design, excellent build, good comfort, and most importantly, the sound quality is really good. I've used the earphones for more than 2 weeks and so far I haven't noticed any shortcomings. If you add the latest Bluetooth 5, good battery life with quick charging support, and IPX7 water resistance rating, you're looking at a high quality pair of earphones that I can easily recommend. What do you think about this pair of earphones? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.